Hello children, welcome to Little Bird English School. Today I am going to teach you subject Maths, standard 5th. So student, open a page number 24. Here given a angel garden. In this angel garden, different shapes are given. So you can find out in this garden different shape. My angel dance so the way when I see flower for making honey, I want to tell other bee to show them the way I start dancing. My dance show the angle between the sun and the flower. Student, you all can see this angle. This is a less than right angle. In this garden, in this here is a some angles are made. Less than right angle. Here is a more than right angle. Here is a less than right angle. Many angles are given here. Activity: collect some leaf from the garden and color each leaf and print it. Look at the angle on the leaf. Which of them are more or less than a right angle? Student, see, here is a two leaves and two leaves form a less than right angle. So student, collect some leaves, but leaves are dried, not a green. Okay. Now look at this picture. Hey, look at the bird. Its a beak has an angle less than a right angle. Look at a beak. Its beak has a less than right angle. And here is some other birds are given. I am a woodpecker. My beak is sharp because it has to cut the wood. Now here is a woodpecker. In this picture you can see that this picture woodpecker is trying to cut the tree and made his oven shape. So here is a more than right angle formed by the woodpecker. More than right angle. And this bird can make less than angle of less than right angle. Come on, next page. Look for the bird which have beak with small angle. Student, many birds are here are given and many angles are forming by them less than and more than right angle. In the picture, mark angle between two branches. Which two branches have the biggest angle? Student, in this picture of tree, branches are given and in these branches more angles are formed. So let's see this picture. Here is the branches. In these branches more angles are given. First, second, here is right angle shape. Third, fourth, now fifth, here is a sixth. In these two branches, which branch have a bigger angle? Find out. I think so. This branch have a bigger angle. Okay. Next topic is angle in name. You know there are angle in the letter of our name too. Here is a name of Sukhman. On here more angle are made. And in my name there are 11 right angle or there are also 10 angle less than a right angle. Let's find it. Here is a right angle 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 right angle. In this letter of U, 2 right angle. In this letter of K, no right angle. And here is a 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 right angle. And here is a 1 right angle. 4 to 6, 4, 10 and here 1. 11 right angle. We find out in this picture 11 right angle or there are also 10 angles less than right angle. In both of letter there is a no right angle. In this picture there is a less than right angle 1 and 2. In this picture no. In this picture yes, 1 and 2. In this picture 1. And in this picture 1, 2. 2 is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and is 8, 9 and 10. In this picture of A, 3 less than right angle are formed. 1, 2, 3. So here 2, 1, 3 and 2, 10. So there are 10 less than right angle. Write 3 names using a straight line and count the angles. Name: number of right angle, number of angle more than right angle, and number of angle less than right angle. I will write here a name of Uma. In this picture, how many right angle? 1 and 2 right angle. And here right angle is 1. In this picture, there are no right angle. So, number of right angle is 3. Now, number of more than right angle. More than right angle. Here is a more than right angle. So, 2 more than right angle. Now, number of the angle less than right angle. Where is the less than right angle? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 right angle. Okay. Now, activity is given. Put 10 math magic on top of each other. Keep one book sliding on math slide. आपको क्या करना है? 10 बुक्स लेनी है और एक बुक आपको इस तरीके से स्लैटिंग रखनी है. नाउ डू दिस विथ 6 बुक. सेम ऐसे आपको 6 बुक का बनाना है. रोल अ बुक फ्रॉम द टॉप. फ्रॉम विच साइड डज द बॉल रोल डाउन फास्टर. आपको एक बॉल को डाउन करना है, रोल अप करना है इन दोनों बुक के सेट से. विच स्लाइड हैज़ अ स्मॉल एंगल. विच स्लाइड हैज़ अ स्मॉल एंगल. 6 बुक्स का जो हम बनाएंगे उसमें स्मॉल एंगल बनेगा और ये जो 10 बुक का है इसका एंगल बिग है.